When you're working under deadlines or managing multiple projects, every tool that improves efficiency matters. Video editing isn't just about cutting and arranging footage anymore. It's about restoring, upgrading, upscaling, and polishing visuals so they meet modern standards without wasting time. That's where intelligent enhancement features come in. They automate the kind of painstaking work that used to take hours of manual correction. The video editor and video enhancer AI tools help you exactly this way. They help you process files faster so you could focus on the real art of video editing. As an editor or a creator, you can work on many different kinds of projects: compilation videos, music videos, listing style videos, short films, all sorts of content where preparing the video clips for editing is needed. It's like prepping ingredients for a meal before you actually start cooking. In this video, I'll show you a possible workflow scenario as to how these tools can boost efficiency. Before we begin, however, be sure to download the UniConverter 17 in case you don't have it yet, or upgrade it if you do. Now, the video editor in the UniConverter is not your traditional video editing software. This tool is primarily for prepping video clips for editing. The tool is in the video section of the UniConverter, and after you open it, this is the interface that welcomes you. It supports batch processing for up to 20 video clips, so before moving on, let's import some. So once the files are imported, on the right side, you have the modifiers. The settings you choose here will be applied to all of the clips on the list. The trimming, however, is clip specific. Okay, let's choose an aspect ratio, then apply the crop by clicking here. Now let's trim the clips. I'll mostly cut the beginning and the end of them. Next, move on to the adjust option and scroll down here a bit. Here you can add a LUT from the list, or you can import your own as well. A LUT is a color grading preset. Now, there are many other options that you can use in the video editor that we did not touch on, such as adding watermarks, changing speed for the clips, but for our purpose, this is all we needed. Okay, before we export these, let's go to the export settings. Here you can choose a file format, a compression ratio, and file names. It's good to distinguish edited clips from non-edited ones, so feel free to add whatever that works for you. Finally, here choose an output folder and click on export. Now let's move on to the enhancement. The Video Enhancer AI is featured on the home interface of the tool, and it packs several AI enhancement features. Click on it. First of all, import the video clips we just exported from the video editor. It supports batch processing for up to 20 videos, but be sure that the resolution of them cannot be higher than 1080p. On the right side here, you'll see the individual features. All these features serve a different purpose, and we have videos covering all of them, but today we're going to use only the quality restoration feature, which will boost the overall quality of these clips. To use these features is very simple. You just need to click on a feature. This one doesn't have extra settings, some of them do. So here you can just click on it, and then click on export all. While the tool is processing the files, you'll see a progress bar on the video thumbnails down here, and a green tick will appear on them once they're done. Okay, so this was a demonstrative scenario about using the video editor and the video enhancer together to improve work efficiency. These files now can go into any editing software where all you'll have to worry about is editing. So if you found this video helpful, please be sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a thumbs up. We're posting tutorial videos on older and brand new features alike, but I'm gonna thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.